Today's article offers a few helpful tips for people who are traveling abroad and may be noticing a rise in their blood pressure. Outside of a medical context, this article provides a few safe and easy strategies to help you reduce your blood pressure. These suggestions may include 1. Deep breathing and relaxation practices such as meditation or yoga. 2. Participating in modest physical activity, such as a quick stroll or easy stretching activities. 3. Staying hydrated by drinking water can help reduce blood pressure. 4. Limiting sodium-rich meals and boosting fruit and vegetable consumption. It is critical to recognize the symptoms of a hypertensive crisis, such as a blood pressure measurement of more than 180/120, headache, chest discomfort, shortness of breath, nausea, or loss of balance. In such instances, it is critical to seek emergency medical assistance from a local medical expert or clinic. This ensures that skilled medical personnel can safely reduce the individual's blood pressure while avoiding potentially harmful consequences. This blog serves as a helpful resource for individuals who are traveling overseas and need quick and safe ways to lower their blood pressure outside of a medical setting. It emphasizes the importance of making lifestyle changes and seeking medical attention when necessary to ensure optimal health and well-being. I'm not a doctor, I'm not offering medical advice. I'm merely recording my journey. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily,